guys, we are back with Bigg Boss discussion. Yesterday was the day one for Lopamudra's captaincy. We saw her giving punishments to 5 of the housemates, but it turned out to be a reward for them. We have Arushi with us who will tell us more about it.
So it was not a very easy day for Lopamudra as a captain of the house, since she had to take a very tough decision on the very first day of her captaincy. And but we also saw that she got a golden opportunity to take revenge from all the contestants.
I think she was in a full swag, like, okay, fine, I've got something to do with my captaincy.
Exactly, and she took full advantage of that, because she took her revenge from Bani, Gaurav, Swami Om, Priyanka, and Nitibha just got stuck there. Yeah. So, but apparently Lopamudra was not aware that their punishment will turn into a reward for them, since Bigg Boss gave them an opportunity to convert their punishment into a reward, and they were
not successful enough in that, right? Aren't you?
Yeah, but this Gaurav and Nitibha got successful, but then Swami Om, Priyanka and Bani
Which
was
happens to be the main targets of Lopamudra, isn't that right?
yeah,
So
obviously, because the other two names were just a formality for her, I suppose.
Exactly.
And I suppose even Bani is not getting successful in any of the tasks in the house, since we saw that yesterday also it was such a simple task to catch a gift box, and she was not even able to catch that. So I suppose there's this bad time of Bani going on inside the Bigg Boss house. Next we saw Swami Om getting angry with Lopamudra, since she commented that Swami looks her inappropriately. And she said that instead of looking her into the eyes while talking, he looks at her, other parts of the body. So this didn't go very well with Lopamudra.
I think just Swami Om is involved with all the controversies that could happen around him, right?
But interestingly, Manveer and Manoj Punjabi were not agreeing with Lopamudra on this, because they said that Swami can do anything but not this. Okay. What do you think that?
I don't know, probably he is being a soft target in the house some way or the other, right? Because be it any situation, he is the person who's being involved, and he does things like that so that people are getting him into the limelight. Other way around, right? So
and next we saw Gaurav getting a chance to take Bani on a date. Okay. Like it looks like that Bigg Boss is also making efforts to patch up between the two friends. And Gaurav was very spontaneous when Bigg Boss asked him that whom do you want to take on date, and he took Bani's name. And Bani was more than going on a date; she was more excited about the food, that she'll be fed good food finally. So
tomorrow, proteins for her, isn't it?
Exactly. Tonight we'll see Salman Khan taking a class of the contestants, and also we'll see the Colors family coming on the show and spending some candid moments with the contestants of the house. So stay tuned to know what happens next in the Bigg Boss house. Thanks for watching IndianExpress.com.